Before we get into chapter 1, I would like to ask you a very important question. Are you considering affiliate marketing for the long haul, or are you in it just to earn one of the commission? Once you have answered to this, your journey for the rest of the course make a lots of sense. I am sure I am for this for long term, and I do hope you are in it for the same reason I feel. Affiliate marketing has to be considered just like any other full-time business. It's only then you can see the real income coming. The one guarantee that I can give you, as mentioned previously, this definition is not a get rich quick scheme. This course is full of short and point prescribed chapter with actionable steps, assignment and interaction. I really hope you do complete it. The only way you can see result is if you take action. Affiliate marketing, if done the right way, can be your main source of income. Did you know some of the top affiliate marketers does make as high as six-figure income in USD month on month? And also, affiliate marketing is by far the easiest way to make money. It doesn't require you to make any new product or service. And why it is so? One of the main reason being all you have to do is to share your affiliate link. Another reason behind you do not have to invest or creating a product. The only investment that you probably have to do with this buying your hosting and domain. So from now we are going to start our chapter 1, what is affiliate marketing.